Oceanography is a very important topic of geography. Why? Because of the earth crust, 71% of the area is covered with oceans, while only 29% with land, and the population of world is increasing. That's why the space to live, work is falling short for people, and man is enticed to resources because land resources are also limited while ocean resources are unlimited. That's why man is advancing towards ocean in search of oceans and researches. Contrary to it, ocean is also not stagnant, rather ocean is also proceeding and encroaching the land area due to global warming and sea level rising. So there is a struggle between humanity and ocean. That's why oceanography is very important topic. Let us study what is difference between oceanography and oceanology. Oceanography is the simple description or graphical description of oceans with cause and effect, while oceanology is the scientific study of all the segments or ingredients of the oceans. The second word is hydrosphere and hydrology. As you know that hydrosphere is a syllabus in undergraduate classes, while in postgraduate classes this is termed oceanography, and in undergraduate classes it is hydrosphere, but sometimes in science faculty it is termed hydrology. So let us understand difference between hydrosphere and oceanography, which one looks broader and which one narrower. Undoubtedly, hydrosphere is very wide and broad term because hydrosphere is the study of water in all the states everywhere, and water is present in liquid form in oceans, rivers, lakes, groundwater or subsurface water. Water is also found in solid state in high altitude mountains and high latitude. At the same time, water is found in atmosphere in gaseous state. That's why hydrosphere is the scientific study of water in all states everywhere on the earth, while this oceanography is a part of hydrosphere, wherein we concentrate on the study of ocean basins water. So now UPSC has prescribed a number of points or syllabus in the civil services course, and other commissions also have prescribed nearly this course, and this is sufficient for undergraduate as well as PG students. The first chapter is Oceans and Introduction. Although it has not been prescribed in the course, even then you should understand it because the questions, general questions, may be asked in it, and in it we will study how the oceans have been separated. For example, you are expected to separate South Atlantic from South Pacific and Indian Ocean from Pacific Ocean. That's why some attention is needed there. The next topic will be paleoceanography. In paleoceanography, we will study the past oceans. The present oceans which we see on the globe were not in the past. In past, there was Panthalassa, then Open Tethys, then North Atlantic Ocean, then South Atlantic Ocean, then Indian Ocean, then Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal. This way, we will have a historical perspective of oceans, and at the same time we will see that in the coming time new oceans will open. For example, there is possibility of new ocean along the Rift Valley of Africa and along the Delhi-Haridwar-Halsey Ridge to Okhotsk Sea, and tectonic events happening there are indicating this possibility. The first chapter prescribed is ocean bottom relief, and you are saying that this is a sea level, and this is ocean basin, and ocean basin is made up of a number of relief. As you study relief features on the continents like mountain, plateau, plain, in the same way, here is relief like continental shelf, slope, deep sea plain, canyon, trench, deep, and ridge, and this is called epicontinental sea. So this is ocean bottom relief. If you are blessed to travel on foot on this sea level, then you will not have experience of ocean bottom. But if you will travel on this, you will feel that a number of topography are there, and these topography are mainly the result of endogenic forces, and this topography is being represented with the help of hypsometric or hypsographic curve that is undergoing continuous change due to tectonic activity. The second point will be salinity. If you are traveling on foot in the ocean, certainly you will be thirsty and you will drink water, and that water is not fresh as found on the land, rather it is saline. That's why you will have to study the salinity from the sea surface to sea bottom, and you will study that the salinity from the sea level to bottom continuously increases, and this salinity has wide impact on the biotic conditions or biosphere of the oceans. And next point will be here ocean temperature and heat budget. If you are floating on the sea level, here temperature on average will be 25 degrees Celsius, but that temperature will vary from equator to pole. For example, in equatorial region, this temperature will be higher, and while going towards pole, it will be reduced to zero near Arctic and Antarctic circles. That's why the